And welcome back to the channel, aka Come Ride With Me. And today you can see absolute Halloween madness, hence the mask. We all out, we all ready to drive out and purge. I'm just joking. So let's get into the show. Yeah, shout out my boy Stock. I'ma link him in the description box below. Bust me on these Gucci pillows, mate. My brother. Boy, as you can see, absolute madness down wherever we are, down in the underground city of Mexico. It's absolutely crazy down there, cars everywhere. I don't know if I'm gonna walk all the way around though, 'cause I'm quite lazy, but we'll see. M4. Did you not come from Cobham? Yeah. I can't lie, I got lazy. I said I'm not going all the way out there.
You better run to see you got parked.
Yeah, that's why I came early. I said, and even I came early, all of this side was already full, so it's mad. It was bound to happen.
Black lives matter, understand?
Yes.
Black lives matter.
They have to go. We're not doing nothing illegal. They have to leave us alone, unfortunately. They can just scare us.
So, boom. My name's Hater. H-A-1-3-T-E-R.
I'll tag his Insta.
I ain't got the car today,
but he's got a bad boy car though.
But, you know what I mean?
Uncle Hater.
You get me?
Look at the grandfather glasses.
Come on.
Those are boss level shades, you know. You see these people that are under 25, yeah? They just don't know, cuz. They just don't know, cuz. See, man. Head into that next location, and that you quite mad close on his bike when he went past me, but I can't even lie. I was about to open my door. Alright, see you at the next one. Yes, peeps. Now just on Tower Bridge, heading to the next location, somewhere in Southwest. I think it's the exhibition. Don't really know myself. Yeah, mate. As you can see, skying over lovely Tower Bridge. It's nice. But we'll see you at the next spot, man. Oh, it's all peak. You know, just a bunch of car lovers trying to find a place together, and the police just won't let us. And now we are here looking for the next place to go. We just want to park up and enjoy our cars, you know, and a little bit of crazy, you know. So yeah, let's see how it plays out. Hopefully on to the next location. We need to move now, you know. Because everyone, because of us, people think this is a meat spot. Because look how much cars are turning up. This is not the meat spot.
You need to move on, like, sensibly
And peacefully.
and no pucks and planes.
We saying a nice little spot to get some shots done. No. Look at her. Get them right angles. Don't run over a tripod, please. This car, I do like the wrap on it though. Jeez, look at her. Miss Trina came through with a Negan baseball bat from Walking Dead. Come on.
Yeah. Do I take my glasses off?
You can't wear the mask and the glasses, you don't need it. Got Miss Chloe, I'll leave her Insta and that down below in the comment section. Professionalism at its finest, while I just stand there and walk around with a camera and wait for my turn. Is it bad that I want to get pictures with Trina's car instead of mine? I think it's the rap, man. Soon to come. Yay, it's my baby's turn. And Trina's still doing her thing up there. She's on this. Give her the ratings. Yeah, I like it. It just looks too stock though, innit? Comment below, innit? It looks mad stock. It needs wheels, lowering. Yeah, it just needs a bag of work. But all soon to come. Subscribe, stay tuned, because it's coming, trust me. Yes, it's my turn. I want to get some shots with my beautiful fur jacket. It is not real fur, Peter. Don't come at me. Got my purse mask on my back. Let's go. Well, you can see Miss Trina off in the distance. She's off. Got some shots. The mask and all the cars and that. So now I'm gonna end it there. It's a bit of a mad one as usual, boy. It's hard when the police just keep shutting it down as you arrive, boy. You can't even really do much. But we work with what we've got in it, so until next time. Remember, like, subscribe, share. More to come, even a few bits on the car itself. It's been booked in for a few things, so you know, subscribe, stay tuned. It's the only way you're gonna find out, yeah?